Hello. This is Paulingo de Tutu. Right now, I'm going to an African restaurant to check out the kind of food they have there. I have not eaten African restaurant for a very long time now, so I'm going to try it out and see what they have. Just go to the African restaurant now. Let's see what they have now.
Your destination is on the left.
That's the African restaurant over there. Here we go. That's the African restaurant. Let's check it out there. The kind of food we have here. I'm at the restaurant right now, and What up, madam? Anything to eat? What kind of soup? Egusi and all that? Egusi and melon soup. Which one you have? Okay, let me have Egusi there. Long time no see. You remember me? I know. Well done. Now I held out for what they call Egusi soup. You're going to break it down right now. Okay. Oh, this is the food they brought to me now. Let me see if I can see what they brought to me now. That's what we call Egusi soup. See, that's Egusi. Brother, can I get a spoon, please? Where is the path for children to become? Thank you so much. Wow, this is a nice one. Thank you so much, man. You can see these soup right here. You think the hot? That make me not want to use my hand. The hot where we're going, I don't see it. Okay. It's good. Okay. Nice. We have a lot of meats inside, you can see. A lot of meats inside. Nice.